What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video, an awesome one at that. I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your Xbox One controller to your device on iOS 12 and play MFI supported games with it, and also emulators. This is so cool. So a bit of a disclaimer though before we get into this video any further. This will require a jailbreak. This is on iOS 12, and only certain versions of iOS 12 are jailbreakable. So if you guys want more information on what you can jailbreak on iOS 12, be sure to check out the playlist link down in the description, where I have all of my jailbreak update videos if you guys need more information on that. But anyways, like I said, this does require a jailbreak, so we will be getting a package from CYDIA, and that's going to allow us to connect a bunch of different controllers to our device. On the previous video, I showed you guys how to do PS4. So on this one, I'm doing Xbox One because there's something you got to watch out for. But anyways, if we go into CYDIA here, this is the application / tweak you're going to need on your device in order for these controllers to connect. It is called nControl. It's basically kind of like the new version or the remake of Controllers for All on iOS 12. This is a paid package, and it is $10. And like I said in my previous video, I find value in that. The $10 is totally worth it for me. Being able to play games on my device with these controllers basically makes them kind of, mobile consoles in a way. And I just think that that's totally worth $10 in my eyes. But anyways, as you guys can see with the package here, you can use PS4 controller, you can use the Xbox One controller, the Evo VR Pro / mini controllers, and also the Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers in any application that supports MFI controllers, including emulators like Provenance. Now, like I said in my previous video, I'll be having a lot of coverage in this. This is just the first initial setup on how to connect these controllers. Now, before I show you guys the application, the one thing you guys are going to need to watch out for with the Xbox controllers is you have to make sure you have the newest or the newer version of the Xbox One controller. And I have older ones here. I was kind of disappointed because I do have a SCUF controller. I was really hoping to be able to use this on my device, but I can't. It's too old. And the way you can tell is, let me grab the stock older Xbox One controller. As you can tell, the faceplate here is different between the two. So if you have one that looks like this, where the faceplate is straight across, this is the Xbox One controller that's going to work. If you guys have these older ones, this controller will not work. I did try it. I tried everything I could, but they don't work. I believe they don't have the proper Bluetooth or any Bluetooth, or I'm not sure what's up with them, but they will not work. So like I said, it has to be these the newer version of the Xbox One controller. I will leave a link down in the description for the best deals I can find on them if you guys wanted to pick up a new Xbox One controller. So be sure to check out that link if you guys are looking to get one. I will have the proper Xbox One controller linked down below. But anyways, let's take a look at nControl. This is the application that you're going to use to connect your controllers. Now, it still remembered my old PS4 controller from the other video. Keep in mind, you do have to disconnect it. If you do have both controllers and you're still connected to one, you have to disconnect from that controller just by clicking that button there. As you can see, I can connect to it. That's how you would disconnect. So make sure you're disconnected from any other controller at this point. And on the Xbox One controller, all you got to do is power it up, and you will notice the Xbox light flashing there, and then you just click the sync or pair button there, and as you can see, as soon as I pressed that, it instantly showed up in nControl. So from this point, you just select on the controller, click on that little button in the upper right, and connect your device. And wait for the Xbox light to go solid, and literally that's all you got to do. We are connected to the Xbox controller now. It is so simple, and honestly, this app seems to be running so smoothly. I haven't had any issues with it. It's pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and let's go into Crossy Road, and let's click on play, and let's test it out. And just like that, just like the PS4 controller, it works just like it should. I think this is so cool. Now keep in mind, we're playing Crossy Road, a super basic game. Literally, it's just moving forward and side to side. But you can get, more advanced MFI controller games like first-person shooters and stuff like that, where it would make it, pretty insane to play certain games, you know, using these controllers. And if you have them laying around at your house, why not, you know, connect them and play games with them? I just think this is so cool. And also there is support for emulators. So if you guys wanted to play old school games like Mario or Pokemon or something like that, you can use this to do that as well, which I think is so cool. So let's just go ahead and wait for the train here. But yeah, I think that this application / tweak is so cool. I cannot wait to jailbreak my XS Max and you know, use it on this whenever the jailbreak is updated for this device. I think it's going to be so cool. And like I said, guys, I will be having more video coverage of using these controllers on certain games and emulators and how to do stuff. So stay tuned in for all that. Otherwise, also another application I wanted to show you guys quickly here before we end out the video. If you guys are looking for MFI certified games or controller games, this application is actually really good. It shows you all of the best games that do have MFI controller support, as you guys can see here. I will leave this application linked in the description as well. So if you guys want to see what games actually have controller support or what you can use with these controllers, you can use that application. But anyways, I will leave all the links for everything you guys need in the description. You also need to add a repo to get nControl. The repo's listed there. Everything is in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.